wait for me, Jet. Okay. You go in the fog. Hello, guys.
So this is a fog. Oh my god, why is there a massive
Oh no. This fucking puzzle again?
Oh,
Where is horror in this game?
like try not to fall in the hole.
Oh. Okay, so what do I do in this? Oh, you restarted?
Yeah, I died because there's holes in the fog one. And you're not supposed to fall in those holes. I guess that's the obstacle on the fog one. The obstacle on the rating one is not drowning.
I need to check if every single one is painted. Okay, every single one is painted.
Okay,
I'm in the snow biome.
I'm in the fog biome. I think it's better for me to try not to drown. So let me just
Why are there YouTubers on the train?
I'm gonna try not to run. I'm gonna not run on this thing. So I don't accidentally fall into a hole. Man, I want to run so badly, but I have to resist my temptation. No, I'm not turning up. No axes, no axes. Just a more stone.
I'm back at the sunny biome.
And I'm in the raining biome. And now I am going to check. Did I finish both of them? Nope, there's still more in the fog.
Oh yeah, let me check.
No running here. Where are the X's?
All our X's, bro. What are we supposed to do? Jack, tell me what are we supposed to do?
In which biome?
Every biome.
The fog biome is trying not to fall into holes. The rain biome trying to finish as fast as
The sun biome?
The sun biome, I don't even know what to do. Just go as fast as possible
Oh, wait,
so
really?
you don't drown.
What about the snow biome?
I don't even know what the snow biome is.
The one that you said it's raining rice?
Yeah, I don't really. Nothing bad ever happened in this. Where the hell is the second act?
Oh, so you have to paint every single X?
Yeah, everything you see. Might as well be this one.
Okay.
I'm going to the sunny biome.
It all says X's.
Yeah, so you're supposed to paint on only the X's. You can't really paint anywhere else if you try, so.
Yeah, I painted all the X's in the sun biome and it still says an X.
Daily X check. Any X's here? Nope. DK. Donkey Kong.
Gonna check in the snow biome if there's
Jeffrey
more.
the Jefferson. Alright, let me check how much progress I made. Okay, just gotta finish this one.
So you have to spray paint to everything?
Yep, anything you can see. Anything that's there.
But
Oh, what's in the humidity biome that I didn't spray paint? I spray painted everything.
I spray painted everything in the winter biome, okay?
Oh, there it is! I'm done with this place.
Oh, in the fog?
Yep.
Okay, let me go back.
Now let me see if the door's open for me. Next level.
Okay, you're in the next level while I'm still stuck in the first one. Uh-oh. Oh, I can't see anything.
I don't think there's any code, but you gotta get to the level, I think. Ouch. Don't worry, good thing I didn't even make any progress.
I'm looking on the
What happens
ground.
if I just... Oh, I just died.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I want ice cream.
Please don't tell me there's any codes. I don't like the codes, they're annoying.
No codes.
And I don't even see no numbers on any of the trains or something. Oh my god, there's a code, I can see it. I died on the last train. Okay, I'll go to I'm not gonna waste.
Where's the door from the fog biome? I already forgot where is the door. Help. I can't see. Pure emptiness. Okay, I'm back in the room. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Yes, I need it.
Oh god.
What should I do?
21876.
21876. 21876.
Now I know the code.
Wait, let me just write it.
21876. 21876. 21876. 21876. 21876. Okay, 21876. Help.
21876. I wrote it.
On top. 11. Okay. Okay. Help. I'm gonna drown. Help. Not. Wait, what? All of them are not done? Oh my god, I hate this fire. I'm just 21876.
Next level. Oh my god, why are there nice little stuff?
Chicken wagon or
I think you're supposed to step in the circles and then do something. I forgot, I saw YouTube. Just gonna check every single lane.
Am I supposed to like change it and then go to a different circle?
Yeah.
Okay, I got the first one. Chicken.
No, you're supposed to do it in something order. Some order.
Yeah, I did part of the orders. One of them start.
Oh no. This fucking puzzle again? Where is horror in this game?
here. Okay, chicken key. CK.
What are you doing, chicken key CK?
Okay, chicken key. Let's try walking over here. Dang it. Maybe wagon over here. Nope.
Just gonna spray paint every single lane because I can't see anything. Jad, how many were there in the foggy biome? No, I can't see, bro. Show me. I hate when I can't see.
What's going to be wagon? Maybe we can have a ticket?
Okay. That and that. Foggy and that. And sun and winter. Okay. The only thing I'm missing is sun and winter.
You're recording?
Yes. Oh, I'm taking off of this. Now let's check. Okay, I don't think there's anyone on the ground. So I'll check. Let's see.
I need to discover something.
What?
I need to see what the circle would be like.
Wow, jeez.
Why did it have to be somewhere? Never tried that circle. Nice, I discovered something. This, and then this.
Why aren't you recording?
Oh! Yes! I did it! Huh?
Is that Henry stick? The key. The key. I feel bad for you. Who thought he did it? I feel bad for you.
So I just swap and then this guy appears.
Oh wait, what? Oh, there's one more outside, didn't see. Oh, let's just check on every side of the wagons. Run away. What?
I hate this stupid thing, man. What did I even do? Why is he attacking me?
Don't know.
Wow. Cool. Next level.
Okay. Ja, what was the code for the second level again? 21876. Okay.
Oh, you already got to the level? Yeah. I hate this stick, man, but
21876.
Yeah, 21876.
I think you're supposed to learn to the door. 21876. 21876.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
I said if you have to learn to the door or something, or it's different.
Already memorized this so much.
Bro, come on. The 21876. Oh my god!
Nope, I just cooked myself even more.
I didn't see the code. What should I do?
Wrong. 8733.
Okay. Now I know the code.
87133.
Okay. Now I know the code.
87133. 87133.
Okay. Now I know the code.
87133. 87133. 87133.
I didn't see the code. What should I do?
7133.
Where did I just run for long enough?
I think that works. Oh, what was the order again?
I don't remember. I think it was
Chicken.
chicken.
Wagon
Okay, chicken.
or key?
No, you're supposed to like stand on one of those black circles. No, not the...
I need to stay the points in some order. It is obvious.
Okay, you have to do this in one try. Oh hell no. Key, yeah.
Wow. It's kind of reminds me of a memory game, you know?
Key and then what?
Key, then wagon.
Wagon. Okay. And then
chicken and key.
No. I have to start over.
Then if you find out how to what the statement, like just tell me.
And then wagon. I said wagon. Okay, thank you. Then chicken. Is there any key? Okay.
Okay, I'm preparing for Henry's big man.
Down Watkins. Oh, mine is a wagon.
Really? Mine's a stick then.
Oh, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. What the fuck? Oh, our pizza is ready. Bye guys. We'll continue.